Hey everyone, Thomas coming to you from MGM Classic Cars.com, and today I have this 1992 Ford Mustang GT 5.0 convertible, as you see in front of me, in original condition, which has very low miles as well. I'll share with you in a moment. Financing is available. I'll go over the payment with you guys towards the end of the video as well, so you guys can see how affordable our financing can be. And we do have with loans with no prepayment penalties as well. So I think it can fit everyone's budget on this car. You will need about 10% down, about $2,300 down. But beautiful all around. Paint shines super nice. Clean Carfax auto check report. Always garage kept. Everything functions pretty much how it should. Really nice white vinyl top on this car. Starts easily, no problems. So like I said, 5.0 GT302 with the automatic overdrive transmission. Beautiful. Isn't that beautiful color combo? Spoiler has been added to the back. Look at that. Really nice and sleek. Interior is flawless as well. Look at that. Power windows, power locks, power convertible. Top with no issues. So get ready for the mileage right here. Check that out. 42,300 miles. It's loaded up with options. Stock radio as well. Super clean. Let's go for a test drive, guys. Hope this camera doesn't fall. Okay, give it a shake. Payments as low as $265 a month with 10% down through one of our lenders. Car drives just like it should. No issues going down the road, guys. Z06 that just passed us up, came in today. Stock exhaust, everything just does everything it should from day one. It doesn't pull going down the road at all. Just nice and smooth, nice and easy. Power steering is excellent on the car, and like I said, all the gauges function. If you're looking for a fun toy with all the comfort features with these leather seats, you found it right here in MGM Classic Cars. Paint, like I said, is really nice too. Alright, that's 60 miles an hour there, guys. You hit the brake, it doesn't pull left, doesn't pull right. Just a beautiful, sweet little GT Mustang, ready for sale here at MGM Classic Cars. We're 20 minutes from the Chicago O'Hare Airport. If you wanted to fly in, be my guest. Bring your checkbook. You will write the check once you see this and drive this car, and drive it all the way back to wherever you guys are from. You will have a great time. Financing is available, so go to our website at mgmclassiccars.com and fill out that credit application. Again, you will need about 10% down. Terms go up to, well, a long time to get that payment down. So check that out as well. If you need delivery quotes and no financing needed, no problem. Call me, text me. My number's 847-848-1850. I'll send you a delivery quote. There you go, guys. Beautiful 92 GT convertible, ready for sale here at MGM Classic Cars for a great price. Talk to you guys soon, and have a great day.